Welcome students. In this class we will learn how to write a program to multiply two numbers. So as usual we will include the libraries stdio.h and include stdlib.h. Okay, now we will start the block. I want to handle integer data type, then I will show you how to handle float and double data types. So this is a block. I want to give a comment line just to make it clear to anybody reading the program. This program gets input from the user and multiplies and gives the result. Okay, that's it. So let us get two numbers, number 1, number 2, and the product. That's another variable. Okay, so print f, enter the first number. Okay, I'm prompting the user to give the number. I'm taking the input, scanf. The specification is integer type, and then I am receiving the value and storing it in number 1. I'm coming out of it, semicolon, printf, enter the second number. I'm coming out, terminating with a semicolon, getting the value with the format specification, and then saving it or storing it under number 2 variable. So it's termination. Now I need to multiply. So product, that's a variable there. Product is equal to number 1 multiplied with number 2. Okay. Now I need to print the value. So printf, the product of the two numbers is equal to, we would have to place the specification %d comma the variable product, semicolon, and return 0. Okay, so let us run and see if we have any errors in the program. So we will first build it and then check for errors. Okay, it appears to be fine. And now enter the first number, say 5, enter 6, enter the number is 30. Okay, let us run it one more time. So say 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 is a number given, and I want to multiply it with 4, 5, 3, 2. Yes, we are getting the value. So the output is also received. So these are all integers. Now if we try to give a quantity something like this, say 20 or 32.12, you see that we're getting an exception, we're getting an error there, because we're introducing a decimal digit. So the program will not be in a position to handle that.